Hello student. Today we will discuss new chapter that is known as magnetic effect of electric current. The new chapter name is magnetic effect of electric current. You can see here magnetic effect of electric current. The current and what is the magnetic effect of electric current? You already studied the heating effect of electric current in the previous chapter. What was the heating effect of electric current? When electric current is utilized to heat the substance, then it is known as heating effect of electric current. Practically, it is also observed when electric current passes through any conductor, then magnetic field develops around the conductor, and that is known as magnetic effect of electric current. You can see here a small picture. The picture here in this box, you can see here a battery and two terminal positive and negative terminals are there. One battery is connected with the wire and a nail, and a needle is here, iron nail is here, and you wrap all these wires and electric current passing through it. What happened? It attracts iron nail. Small nails are attracted towards this big nail. Why? Because of the magnetic effect of electric current. Because the magnetism produced due to electric current and due to which it attracts these small pieces of the iron nail. That is known as magnetic effect of current. First, you should know about the magnet. You already know about the magnet. You आपने बहुत magnets देखे भी हैं, बहुत टाइप के magnet देखे हैं, लेकिन how, what is the property of the magnet, what is magnet, how it is obtained and how it is made, that is the concept. Now, first you should know about the magnet. What is magnet? मैग्नेट इज अ सब्सटेंस. पहले हमें क्या जानना चाहिए? मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट से पहले हमें क्या जानना चाहिए? मैग्नेट. व्हाट इज मैग्नेट? मैग्नेट इज अ सब्सटेंस. मैग्नेट इज अ सब्सटेंस which attract किसको? आयरन, स्टील, कोबाल्ट एंड निकल. आयरन, स्टील, कोबाल्ट एंड निकल. magnet basically is basically two types. Natural magnet and artificial magnet. Second one is man-made magnet, जिसे हम artificial कहते हैं. artificial magnet. Now, natural magnet is obtained from the nature. It is obtained from the nature. In Earth's crust, a ore of iron is found in the Earth's crust, that is known as magnetite, and magnetite has a property to attract these pieces like iron, cobalt and nickel. And since it is found naturally in the magnetite, so it is known as natural magnet. And similarly, when we make the condition of that condition of magnetism produced in the substances through magnetizing the substance, that is known as the artificial magnet. Artificial magnet is made by Alnico, aluminium, nickel, cobalt. Alnico, aluminium, nickel and cobalt. So Artificial magnet is made by the man-made magnet, that is known as artificial magnet, and according to shape and size, the types of magnet always exist in two poles. Magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Magnet will always exist in two pole, north pole and south pole, like this, north and south. Magnet will always exist in two pole, north pole and south pole. There is no existence of single pole. Even you cut a very small pieces of the magnet, you always found that small pieces also contain two poles, north and south. And now you can understand that magnet has a property to attract any type of magnetic substance, any magnetic substances like iron, cobalt, steel and nickel. It can attract. But how it attracts, what is the reason? You should know about the magnetism. That property of magnet is known as magnetism. Magnetism is the property of the magnet due to which it attracts magnetic substance. Magnetism, that property of the magnet due to which it attracts magnetic substance. And it always exists in the two poles. And what is magnetic field? Now, already I have studied about the types of magnet. There is artificial, natural magnet and artificial magnet. Natural magnet is obtained from the iron ore, that is known as magnetite, and artificial magnet according to shape, the types of magnet, different types of magnet according to shape, they found in different types. Like bar magnet, U-shaped magnet, या horseshoe magnet, and so on. But according to their characteristics, they found in two types. Permanent magnet and permanent and temporary magnet. Temporary magnet means that is electromagnet. So according to their characteristics, there are two types: permanent magnet and temporary magnet, that is electromagnet. And you know types of magnet according to shape. You can identify the different shapes like bar magnet, U-shaped magnets, horseshoe magnet and different types. In the circular also it is found in the frame of a ring also. Now, what is magnetic field? You already know about the magnet. Magnet is a substance which attract magnetic substance. अब वो अट्रैक्ट करता है तो कितनी दूर तक अट्रैक्ट करेगा, एक मैग्नेट कितनी दूर तक अट्रैक्ट करेगा, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ कितनी होगी, दैट इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. व्हाट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? द स्पेस सराउंडिंग अ मैग्नेट, द स्पेस सराउंडिंग अ मैग्नेट, magnetic field, magnetic field, the space surrounding a magnet, the space surrounding a magnet in which another magnet feels some force due to given magnet, due to given magnet is called magnetic field. It means every magnet will exert some force on another magnet which is come near to the magnet. Why? Because of the magnetic field of that magnet. Means each and every magnet has some area in which a magnet can exert a force on another magnet. And how the magnetic force will exerted by the given magnet? What will be the criteria of exerting force on another magnet? What will be the direction of the force? It can be explained by the magnetic field line. What is magnetic field line? Now, magnetic field line. What is this? Magnetic field. After that, magnetic field line. Magnetic field line, it is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line along which the north pole of magnet would move. What will be the magnetic lines of forces? Actually, there is no permanent such lines. It is an imaginary lines. What you get in that magnetic lines of forces, you should know about the concept of magnetic lines of forces. What happens? A magnet will exert some force on another magnet. What will be the direction of force of exerting by the first magnet on the second magnet? It is assumed that the north pole of the magnet is present there in magnetic field. Then what will happen? The magnet will exert some force on north pole, and it is the property of the magnet that like pole repel to each other. Like pole, the property of magnet, you should know, the like pole repel to each other. Unlike pole attract to each other. Then what will be magnetic lines of forces or magnetic field lines? It is imaginary lines. If you can see here, if a magnet is here, north and south. Here you assume a north pole. You take here a north pole, you assume here. So what will be? North pole will be repel. North pole, repel. So this North pole repel to North pole, so North pole moves in that direction, and again the North pole moves upward, repelled by the North pole, and it will be attracted by the South pole. It will be attracted by the South pole, so you can see like this. The line will be like this. It will be originate from north and end at south, because the North pole will repel, North pole will repel to North pole, and it is attracted by the South pole, while like pole repel and unlike pole attract. Then what will happen? Here we assume North pole, then according to this property, North pole will repel to North pole, so North pole will move up toward the South pole, because it is attracted toward the south. So magnetic lines are forces, and you can draw like this. In the simply you can draw like this. If you want to find the direction of force at any point, then what you will do? Suppose you want to find the direction, you will draw the triangle. That is direction of magnetic force. Magnetic force. You can find the direction here. This is direction of magnetic force. So magnetic lines of forces, you can understand now कि magnetic lines of forces क्या है, कि एक मैग्नेट है. सपोज करिए कि एक मैग्नेट है आपके पास, ये मैग्नेट है. अब इस मैग्नेट के पास हम एक नॉर्थ पोल यूं लाके, अब जैसे नॉर्थ पोल लाएंगे और इसका नॉर्थ पोल है तो इसे रिपेल कर देगा, और ये नॉर्थ पोल किस साइड में जाएगा? साउथ की ओर जाएगा. तो अगर ये मैग्नेट है और यहाँ पे नॉर्थ पोल है, तो नॉर्थ पोल को रिपेल करेगा और साउथ पोल इसे अट्रैक्ट करेगा. तो इस तरह आपका डायरेक्शन होगा. अब जब ऐसे ओरिएंटेड होगा, इस साइड में डायरेक्शन होगा, तो इसके मतलब जब भी आप कोई डायरेक्शन फाइंड करना चाहोगे तो टेंजेंशियल डायरेक्शन होगा. तो इस तरह आपको बता सकते हो कि मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस क्या है. इट इज एन इमेजिनरी लाइन along which the north pole of magnet will move, and the direction at any point will be the tangent at that point. Now magnetic field lines, I hope it is clear. And now the property of magnetic lines of forces. Property of magnetic lines of forces. What will be the property of these magnetic lines of forces? Now properties of magnetic lines of forces. या magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. What is the property of magnetic field lines? It will always originate. There are three properties of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. There are three properties of magnetic field lines. What are these three? Now, the magnetic field line originates from the north pole of a magnet and end at south pole. Magnetic field line, first property. Magnetic field line originate from north pole of magnet and end at south pole. Second, what is the second property of the magnetic lines of forces? Second property of the magnetic lines forces, the magnetic field lines come closer to one another near the pole, and magnetic lines of forces is come closer near the pole and will be at far point from Earth. Will be at far point from, will be farther at far point from pole. Which shows that, what shows? Which shows that magnetic strength near the pole is greater, as compared to far point from the pole. Now, first thing, magnetic lines of forces, and third point you can see, the third point is magnetic lines of forces never intersect to each other. Never intersect, because at point of intersection there will be two directions of force. There will be two directions of force which is not possible, for given pair of magnet. Now, once listen carefully again. What is the magnetic property of magnetic lines of forces? There are three properties of magnetic lines of forces. Magnetic lines of forces always originate from North Pole and end at South Pole. And the second property, the magnetic lines of forces come closer near the pole and they will be farther at far point from the pole, because it shows that strength of magnetic field near the pole will be greater as compared to far point from the pole. And the third property, the magnetic lines of force will never intersect to each other. Why? Because at the point of intersection there will be two directions of force, which is not possible for given pair of magnet. Means they will never intersect. You can understand these three properties by the figure also. Look here the figure. The first property, according to figure. First property. What is first property? Magnetic lines of forces originate from north and end at south. That is, originate from north and end at south. The first property. Second property, you can see here, one north, south. When you will draw the different magnetic lines of forces, you can see here here they are closer and here they are farther. So near the pole, second property, near the pole they will be closer to each other, at far point they will be farther to each other, because the magnetic strength near the pole will be greater as compared to far point. And the third property is they will never intersect, north south. One thing, another thing like this. Look here. One direction will be here, another direction will be here. Magnetic force direction, magnetic force direction, not possible. At the same point, there is two direction of magnetic force, which is not possible. Either this magnet will exert in this direction or in this direction. So they will never intersect to each other. So it's not possible that they intersect to each other according to magnetic lines of forces. I hope you understand the magnetic lines of forces. Now, magnetic lines of forces, after then one experiment. Experimentally, it is found that when we hang freely suspended magnet always stay in north-south direction. What experiment it is found, the freely suspended magnet always stay in north-south direction. Freely suspended magnet always stay in north-south direction. If you suspend any, suppose you make here, and what you will have north, south, east, west. You will hang a magnet, then what will happen? The magnet will stay in this direction. Always stay in this direction. North and south. It will always stay in north-south direction, the freely suspended here. Why? Freely suspended magnet always stay in north-south direction because of the new thing, or magnetic force. New topic, Earth magnetic force. Earth is a huge magnet, due to which it is attracted by the Earth magnet. Earth एक बहुत बड़ा मैग्नेट है, बहुत बड़ा मैग्नेट अर्थ है। अर्थ के, आपको पता है कि अर्थ के सबसे नीचे जो आपका सेंटर पार्ट में है वो एक लिक्विड है, जो वो है मेटालिक लिक्विड है, और वो मेटालिक लिक्विड कुछ चार्ज कैरी करता है, और चार्ज कैरी करने की वजह से उसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से अर्थ एक मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करता है। और अर्थ एक बहुत बड़े मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करता है। तो जब भी कोई अर्थ पे एक, आप जैसे इस मैग्नेट को अगर लटकाते हैं, तो अगर इस डायरेक्शन में नॉर्थ है, यहाँ साउथ है, तो ऐसे करने के बाद भी ये ऐसे हो जाएगा। तो यानी नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में भी हमेशा मैग्नेट रुकता है। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द अर्थ मैग्नेट। अर्थ अब नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में क्यों रुकता है? हियर द अर्थ, globe of the globe of Earth here. Now look here, what happened? North south. North south, what will happen? Here and here. That is geographical pole. That magnetic pole. In north direction of geographical, north south, north will attract south pole. So here north direction, south pole is here. South pole, yes pole. Here north pole. In north direction of the earth, there is a south pole of earth magnet, and in the south direction of earth, there is a north pole of earth magnet. So freely suspended magnet will always stay like this. Freely suspended magnet always stay like this. This is north pole attracted by south, and this is south pole attracted by, and you can see here there is just some inclination between geographical pole and the magnetic pole. It is not aligned, it is some inclined. That is known as angle of the, means there is just some inclination, that is near about 15-degree inclination between the geographical pole and magnetic pole. So the magnetic needle can use as the founder of direction. You can find the direction with the help of magnetic needle, because the magnetic needle will always stay in north-south direction. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and the basic concept of that magnetic magnetic effect of electric current in this video. Please listen carefully and see to it. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you.